Hello everyone, welcome back to Trial of Spices. This is Priya. Today we're gonna make an easy and simple homemade pizza sauce. Let's get started. For this we need 6 tomatoes, 10 cloves of garlic, half onion, some tomato ketchup, red chili pepper, and some oregano, some chili powder and salt. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, chopped garlic, chopped onion and saute it in low flame. Add some salt. Add some red chili flakes, add in tomatoes and cook it until the tomatoes are soft and mushy. Add some water and add in some oregano powder. If you want, you can add in some marinara sauce. I had some leftover marinara sauce, so I'm adding it. Add 2 teaspoons of chili powder or cayenne pepper and saute it until the raw smell is completely gone. Add half a teaspoon of tomato ketchup and switch off the flame. Let the mixture completely cool down and then make it into a fine paste. You can store this paste for 10 to 15 days in refrigerator. If you want, you can add 1 tablespoon of vinegar and you can store it up to 1 month.